Lamp switch replacement. Unplug the lamp from the wall to reduce the risk of electric shock. Unscrew the light bulb from the socket, then remove the lampshade. Remove the 2 screws from the bottom inside the socket. These screws hold the silver threaded socket in place. When the screws are removed, the threaded socket will pull out. Unscrew and remove the outer black socket body. Partially peel back the felt or cork from bottom of the lamp to gain access to power cord. Take care to avoid tearing. Push a few inches of the power cord upwards to gain slack to work with. Some cords may have a knot tied here which will need loosened to push slack upwards. Pull the socket base, switch assembly out of the base to gain access to the screw terminals on the sides. Unscrew the terminals on each side to release the wires. The screws may be retained so they may not come all the way out. Attach the wires to the new switch assembly. It doesn't matter which wire goes to which terminal. For a secure connection, bend a hook into the end of the wire and orient it on the screw so the hook closes when the screw is tightened. Position the socket switch assembly on the base and pull the power cord from the bottom to set the socket in place. Reattach the felt or cork on the bottom of the lamp. Pushing downward to hold the socket in place, screw the black outer socket back in place to secure the switch. Set the sliver threaded socket into place. Turn the socket to align the 2 screw holes. Screw in the 2 screws to secure the threaded silver socket into place. Reattach the lamp shade and screw in the light bulb.